Hello students, today we are going to start with part 9 in transformation of sentences, that is use to and remove to. Okay, simple one. Okay, now let's see use to. In use to, let us see the question first. In some places, firewood has become so expensive that what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. Okay, so the question has the word, what we have to do over here, use to. Okay, so to we have to use. So the word, it has become more, which has more exaggeration or more expressive, there we have to use the word to, which is in the extreme case or in the more quantity, there we have to use to. Okay, so how we are going to write? In some places firewood has become too expensive, okay, not to cost more what goes inside under the pot than what goes inside it. Now when you are removing so and when you are adding to, okay, the sentence has to be changed. Okay, it we have to change the nature of the sentence. So how it will come? In some places the firewood has become too expensive not to cost more what goes under the pot than what goes inside it. Have you understood? Now you would be asking, what is the meaning of the sentence? It is the same, that the pot is costing more than the money what is kept inside it. Have you understood? The tea which is inside the kettle, it is less hot than the kettle which is outside. Have you understood? It is a similar example. Now the question number 2. The speaker stopped in the mid sentence, very shocked to continue. Okay, the speaker stopped in mid sentence, very shocked to continue. So very word is there, more expressive, so we have to replace the word very with to. The speaker stopped in mid sentence, too shocked to continue. Okay, now see the third one. The snow didn't look so deep to me. Something which is so deeply expressive, so deep, so we have to remove the snow didn't look too deep to me. Okay, fourth one. The dilemma was so urgent that he did not solve it consciously. We're going to write, we have to remove so and add to. The dilemma was too urgent to solve it consciously. Now if you have seen in the sentences, in the four especially, the word is not is given. When we are adding over here too urgent, we are removing the word not. Okay, positive will change into negative case and negative case will change into positive case, like that. The dilemma was so urgent that was too urgent to solve it consciously. Okay, now let us see remove to. See the first one. He remained like this too long not to start when the old woman opposite addressed him. How you are going to write over here? Now in this case you are going to remove to. So automatically the word again so will come, vice versa. In exam it can come use to also, it can come remove to also. Okay, so you do not have to get confused. What answer you will write? He remained like this so long that he started when the old woman opposite addressed him. Okay, he remained like this so long that, now over here also in the question negative cases that we have changed into positive one. He remained like this so long that he started when the old woman opposite addressed him. Okay, now let's see the second one. The poet looked pretty baffled too. Baffled means confused. How we are going to write? The poet looked pretty baffled also. The poet looked pretty baffled also. Now let's see the third one. I felt that he too would be singing the same song at the same time. Okay, so I felt that he also, instead of to you will be writing also. I felt that he also. Now it is not a rule that whenever you are moving to, you are adding the word so. Okay, here you are using also. Okay, I felt that he also would be singing the same song at the same time. Now see the fourth one. It is likely that the boss thought likewise too. Now, what would be the answer? It is likely that the boss thought likewise also. Now, earlier 4 questions of used to, and this remove to 4 questions and answers. All these 8 question answers you have to write it in your notebook and make a rule from this transformation of the sentences. For each and every topic you are going to write the separate rules. Okay, for example, you are removing to adding, so positive change case is remaining like that, negative case you are changing into positive, like that. Clear? Hello students, today we are going to start with part 10, transformation of sentences. Okay, in that we will do rearranging the words and phrases into meaningful sentence. Now it is very simple. The only thing is that your English language or the grammatical sentence, it has to be very correct. Okay, you have to simply arrange the words which are asked in a jumbled way. Okay, let's see. See the first question, A part. Has the attention of the caught people green movement. Now this is not a proper formation. Okay, you just have to replace the words in its position and make a proper sentence. So how we are going to write? It is something told about the green movement. Okay, so how we are going green movement, but green movement, there has to be something, right? The green movement has got the attention of the people. The green movement has got the attention of the people. Okay. B. Started ago was years it 25. Okay, something 25 is there, years is also given, ago is also given, so something years ago, right? So what happened that, so it was started 25 years ago. Okay, then C. Founded New Zealand in a green was party. So a green party was founded in New Zealand. Correct. D. Has back the not then movement looked since. Okay, so the movement has since then not looked back. Even the one word replaced in a wrong way, your marks will get cut. The movement has since then not looked back. See now question number 2. The at a cage there Lusaka in zoo is. So in the zoo at Lusaka there is a cage. In the zoo at Lusaka there is a cage. Okay. B. The most animal notice world's dangerous reads. Okay, so how we are going to write? A notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. Clear? A notice reads the world's most dangerous animal. Third one. No, there is their animal cage in. How are you going to write? There is no animal in the cage. D. A mirror, see yourself there where you is. There is a mirror where you see yourself. I repeat, there is a mirror where you see yourself. Very simple. Okay, I need not have to explain. You just have to reassemble the words in a proper English language. See the third one. Protein over conscious common is world fishing in this. So how we are going to write? In this protein conscious world, overfishing is common. Okay, this is related to your chapter. Okay, you will come to know only when you go through the textbook. Okay. Next one. Decimated firewood local are to procure forest. Local forests are decimated. Decimated means to destroy or to cut. So local forests are decimated to procure firewood. Procure means to obtain. Okay. C. Expensive some very places firewood has in become. So how are we going to write? Firewood has become very expensive in some places. D. Of face several extinction species life now? So what will be your answer? Several species of life now face extinction. Number 4. Future overpopulation the distorts society of human. So we are going to write overpopulation distorts the future of a human society. B. Took years to reach it a million, first the billion. It took a million years to reach the first billion. C. Population the is at 5.7 billion present world. So how are you going to write the present world population is at 5.7 billion. D. The population 1 million world 4 days increases by every. So how we are going to write? Every 4 days the population increases by 4 million. Okay. The answers are already given over here. You have to make the notes of all these 4 questions of all these 4 questions, A, B, C, D, everything. Okay. Now we'll see the another part of the questions, that is rearranging the words and phrases. Just have a look at it. Floated in a blue flawless half moon sky, perfect. See, sometimes it may happen that the rearrangement it is asked beyond your textbook portion. You need to it is just to check whether your grammatical language is right or wrong. A flawless half moon floated in the perfect blue sky. Okay. B. Banks looked the loaves like clouds of French. Loaves over here it means the bread. Okay. The banks of clouds looked like a French loaves. C. Glowed as emerged they sun pink the. The answer is they glowed pink as the sun emerged. D. Splashed the mountain tops with their rose tint. They splashed the mountain tops with a rose tint. Okay, question number 2. See the A. Shaggy bright colors dogs these monsters wore red. So how we are going to write? These shaggy monsters wore bright red collars. B. Furiously jaws they with massive barked. They barked furiously with massive jaws. C. Were fearless of our they vehicle completely. See, only when you read fast, then only by reading fast and looking at the words, then only you will be, it will click you easily that what sentence, what words will come where. Okay, so what is that again? Were fearless of our they vehicle completely. They were completely fearless of our vehicle. Okay. D. Shot into path they straight are. They shot straight into our path. See the next one. Look to me, the snow deep didn't too. The snow didn't look too deep to me. B. The snow wasn't danger the depth of the. The danger wasn't the depth of the snow. C. Icy layer was danger, it's the top. See the answer? The danger was its icy top layer. D. We could over if sleep turned off the car. If we slipped off the car, could turn over. So earlier 4 and these 3, all the 7 questions including in within A, B, C, D, all this you have to write in your notebook. Okay, write part wise so that it can be identified easily according to the videos. Okay, part 1 this topic, part 2 this topic, and accordingly you will be preparing the notes in your notebook. Thank you.